Alrighty, every pony, what's up? It is me, Discord, Lord of Chaos, feeling better than ever. I just want to do a little reaction slash analysis of Twinks' special Sun Pony, put out by the good old Lightning Bliss. Oh, looks like Golden Fox goes over to, what's the names? Oh, damn it, I forgot. Goes over to Lightning Blisses. Oh, wow. So many patrons. That's cool. Alright, so, without further ado, let's get this reaction slash analysis going. Let's do this. Blind reaction, by the way, have not seen it. First time. Let's do this. Twinks special Sun Pony. Looks like Twink is getting a little bit, getting shipped.
Oh, Twinkie! There you are, boy.
Aww.
Glad to see you're in a good mood because we're gonna have some company today. Yep, you met him before a few times. Last time during the whole Thunderblight fiasco. But yes, we'll be expecting a visit from Golden Fox today.
Oh yes. Good old Thunderblight. The more powerful and the more chaotic version of herself. Unfortunately was defeated. And I'm doing Return of Blight. I'm doing the analysis for that series.
So I need you to be on your best behavior, big guy. I don't need you scaring my friends when they're just visiting our new digs area. Twink?
And then Twink goes running.
Where'd you go, boy? Oh, that must be him.
Well, this is going to be fun to explain. The new look, the new magic abilities, and the new everything. Hope Bliss is going to be open to all this after this whole blight.
Wait, new magical abilities? When? Where? How? Since when? Huh? I need to go back and look at her previous videos and see what changed.
Goldilocks!
Holy crap.
Come on in!
Ah, thanks, Bliss. I appreciate you having me over. It's been...
Oh wow. Twink has a crush on Golden Fox. Look, gasp. Let's see how this pans out, shall we?
long time, hasn't it? Since Thunderblight?
I suppose, but we do see each other at cons and on the TF2 battlegrounds. But it's nice to see you stop by for just idle chit-chat now and again. Huh, you know, I didn't notice before during all the hecticness, but...
Heh, yeah. Let's just say I've had a bit of
Did you do something to your hair?
Really? That's the first thing you notice?
Well, I think...
I've got to say, the animation in this video is incredible. It's gotten better over time. I mean, how long has Bliss been on here? I can't seem to see. I'll put my paw on it. But damn, 51,000 subscribers. Congratulations, Bliss. On with your reaction and analysis. I've got to say, well put together. I'm enjoying.
You're pointing out the diamond and the highlighted wings was kinda already taken. So when did this all happen? It was definitely before all the hit the fan. Follow me and you can tell me all about it.
Well, it's a bit of a story. Seeing as though you've had a lot of things to adjust to, what with your new gigs and all, I didn't want to pester you with my, problems.
Goldie, you're fine. We're practically siblings after all. Here we are.
That's cute.
Here, have a seat.
Oh, sure, thanks.
It's like everything's chaotic. What are you doing in my nice part of my dimension? Yes, every pony, creature, merid and gentle colt. I do have a nice part to my dimension. But I wonder if that's uncharted or not by pony kind.
Anyways, it's kind of hard to explain my side of things, but basically, I was upgrading my channel background and I used too much energy, I guess, during the process. Next thing you know, I'm levitating objects, have highlighted wings with a diamond with the ability to use...
Cream or sugar?
Oh, both please. Anyways, that is something I wanted to talk to you about. See, my diamond has a bit more going for it than you think, and...
Oh, I failed to notice. Goldie has magical abilities? A Pegasi who has magical abilities. I've never seen this. This intrigues me. How come I never feel the magical imbalance? I'm pretty sure I felt a little bit of a shiver when this all happened, but I'll have to go over Golden's channel. Great guy and all.
Hey, what the... Oh.
Gah, sorry about that. Twinkie, don't bump other ponies like that. Be nice.
Twink, your pet rainbow, right?
The one and only. Sorry, he can be a little pushy at times, but he's a sweetheart once you get to know him.
I'm sure. If he was born from your magic and all.
Oh, what the...
Did I say something wrong?
What has got into that fuzzy ball of sprinkles? Sorry about him. Anyways, you were saying?
Oh, yes. Anyway, Bliss, I was hoping to talk to you about this new ability I have with my diamond and...
So sorry, Golden. It's Sub-Zero. He normally doesn't call around this time for me unless it's important. Once...
Oh, I like that. I like that ringtone there, Bliss. Please let me know what it is, or any pony out there that watches. I want to know what that ringtone is.
One second.
Oh, sure, go ahead.
Hey, honey, what's up? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wait, you what? How could you let this happen? Is our bedroom okay? The kitchen? All of it?
Oh, God.
How did you blow up an entire side of the mountain?
What?
Why can't you train by lifting weights like normal ponies? Yes, I know you're not a pony. Can't you just lift it out yourself? Okay, fine. Yes, I'll help you levitate it out. But I may need some extra horsepower. That ship is too big for me. Yes, I'll be right there. I love you too. You Dragon Ball Z butt.
That's cute.
Is everything okay?
I'm so sorry to ask this of you, but can you wait for like 30 minutes or so? Long story short, Subby had a problem with training and somehow relocated our ship home to the side of a cliff face.
You live on a
How the hell do you manage to do that? Lifting a ship to a mountain? That's interesting.
ship?
Sometimes I visit in his dimension from time to time. It's complicated. Anyways, I'm really sorry. Are you okay if...
It's okay, Bliss. I can wait. Go ahead. Plenty of cookies for me, right?
Have at it. Be back later.
Gotta say, she's gotten better at her magical abilities. I mean, since with the fires, the chaos, the turning into other things of other ponies, spells backfiring. I felt all that, Lightning Bliss. I felt the magical imbalance that you were having. It's amazing I didn't show up to try and hone your abilities.
Oh, peanut butter blossoms. God, I get that recipe from her.
Oh God, what?
Hope everything's alright. Maybe I could have helped her with my magic. No, damn it.
Golden, there seems to be a little, just a teeny little weeny, something behind you. You might want to take a look at that, because that looks like problem.
Golden, you barely even understand this magic use. Just wait it out and... Huh? Okay.
How is Twink doing that so silently? Aww.
Hey there, big guy. You okay? Okay.
Oh my.
Could you stop that? Ah!
Oh. Just went and straight punched him in the face. Oh, wow.
Ugh! What the hell was that for? Ugh! I swear, what the hell has got into that damn thing? He freaking punched me! When Bliss gets back, I'll have words. Sheesh. Ugh, that really hurt, too. No. Bad boy. Go away.
Oh, I know those
I mean it,
eyes.
Rainbow Blob. I know how to drop kick any butt from here to Tartarus. I know fly jitsu and... Ah! No! Fair! I didn't say go!
Oh no, is this going to be a song?
Twink! Let me go! I mean it!
Oh no, Twink. Aww. He wants to dance.
Son of a... great. Now look what you've done, you overgrown jerk. It's gonna take me forever to clean this place up because of you. Just get out of here. I don't need your help. You've done enough. Son of a... What is your deal? Twink, what are you doing? Stop that. I'm not your maid. What are you grinning at?
Oh, I know those. I know those eyes. Oh no, look, it's a maid. It's a maid's costume. Oh, it's a maid's costume. Oh god. My
How did you
Celestia.
get that? That's from my private closet. No, no, Twink, no. Bad boy, Twink, no!
Oh my.
I cannot believe this. Become a private maid to some glorified Rainbow Bright sidekick knockoff?
Oh my.
You shut up! I don't want to hear another word out of you.
Oh, what a
Right, I've had
pain.
enough. You've been treating me badly this entire time Bliss has been gone. What is your deal? Stop it.
What a pain in the ass.
I said stop it. I'm not cleaning that up.
Oh, that just gave me another glorious idea. I'm going to cause chaos for someone when I eventually greet them in person.
You can clean it up yourself. I said stop it, Twink!
Oh no. You just done, and you just went and did it, Goldie, didn't you? You had to piss that thing off.
You are going to love me!
Holy shit. That rainbow thing has a voice? Holy shit.
You made it, Twink! You love me!
This is so stupid! I just want to be left alone! Why can't you just leave me alone? Why?
Aw, poor Golden.
What do you want from me now?
No, what a sweetheart.
Wow, you cleaned it up yourself. Well, then, good boy. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm sorry I got angry at you two. I didn't think you'd like me is all. Whoa, now wait a minute! Ah!
Epilogue.
Oh
Right.
God.
That was hard even with the two of us. I'm glad you didn't try to do that by yourself, Bliss.
Well, I had a feeling I couldn't, even with experience. Thanks for coming up to help me, Ellie. Sorry if I can only repay you for your efforts in milking cookies.
Hey, if it gets me your peanut butter blossoms, I'm totally game. Long as you promise to come over for snickerdoodles later.
Like I need an invitation.
Oh, that's where you get that saying, Mystic. Oh, snickerdoodles. Oh, it's a food item after all. Huh. If you can get me some, that'd be great.
Yeah, and hopefully next time I won't have to invite you over on account of your husband embedding a starship in a mountain face. Seriously, why doesn't he train like normal stallions?
He's not a
Right,
stallion.
He's not a stallion.
Exactly. Anyways, Golden should be waiting over.
Help me!
Oh, they are so gonna eat this up on Twitter.
Guys, not funny! Seriously, get him off me, Bliss! What's his problem anyway?
Oh my gosh, this is so adorable! You really do not see what's going on here, Golden.
See what?
Rainbow Blob has a total crush on Golden Fox. This is so cute.
This is just too precious. I've never seen Twinks so
Wait.
smitten.
Wait, I got a question. How does a pony use a... Wait. I want to know, how does a pony use a phone? You've got hooves. I can use phones, controllers, grab things. I have a claw and a paw that I can do things with. If any pony can... And they're not even levitating this to use it either with their magic. So if any pony else or creature can tell me how this is achieved, let me know in the comment section below. How?
Oh, yeah, real funny, ladies, real funny! Get me down!
Wow.
Let me try that once more. That sounded like a fart! Come on, I had to do better than that.
Well, I guess that was my reaction and analysis of Lightning Bliss, Twinks Special Sun Pony. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. I've got to say, that was really well done. Very chaotic. The link to the original video will be in the description below, as well as her channel. So, chaos is magic. Bye-bye.